CRPF Recruitment 2023 Events and Dates. Events CRPF Recruitment 2023 Notification Date 26 December 2022. CRPF Apply Online Start Date 4th January 2023. Last date of apply 25th January 2023. Admit card for CRPF CBT 15th February 2023. Schedule for CBT 22nd to 28 February 2023. CRPF Apply Online 2023 Documents Requirement. Candidate should upload scanned digital image of their photograph and signature. Black white photos will not be accepted. The applicant has to sign on white paper with a black. The signature must be signed by only the applicant and not by any other person.